In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious chicken breast recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 chicken breasts, tomatoes sliced, mozzarella cheese sliced, a 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. To the oil, we're going to add the salt, pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and the paprika and mix. Set this aside for later. Now we're going to create cuts in the chicken, but only cut halfway through. Place the chicken in a baking pan. We're going to brush our oil mixture onto the chicken, making sure to go in between the cuts. In each of the slices, we're going to add a tomato slice, and a mozzarella slice. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Our chicken breast recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.